Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. It's now time for Frontline Business. While the Jamaica Exporters Association has the smaller membership base, President Michelle Chong sees the pending merger with the Jamaica Manufacturers Association as a deal among equals. Ms. Chung indicated that under the successor entity, Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, the JMEA, the issues important to the JEA won't be subsumed, but acknowledged it would need policing. She added that there is always that consideration, but it is up to the presidents to ensure that their members and the initiatives that are already in train are continued. The JEA has a membership base of around 300, while JMA has over 400. Together, they will have more than 600 members, as the merger will eliminate the overlaps. Ms. Chung, who took over the helm of the Exporters Lobby Group in 2016, says she was struck by the significant overlap of work in both the private and public sectors. The government has raised $5 billion in the domestic market. It's reported that it raked in the funds on Thursday when it reopened the fixed-rate 7.25% benchmark investment notes due 2021. A statement from the Finance Ministry says it was oversubscribed. The offer was limited to $5 billion with a tenor of 3 years and an average yield of 4.34%. NCB Financial Group recorded strong growth in loans and advances as at March 31. Loans and advances net of provision for credit losses increased by $127 billion or 61% to $334.3 billion. In addition to the consolidation of the Bermuda-based Clarion Group, which NCB has a major stake in, there was growth in all segments of the loan portfolio, with retail up 22%, corporate 11%, and credit card receivables 25%. The growth was accompanied by an increase in non-performing loans, which totaled $15 billion as at March 31. It was at $5.9 billion a year ago. This represented 4.4% of the gross loans compared to 2.8% as at March 31, 2017. NCB says the increase was due to the inclusion of Clarion Group, which has a non-performing loan ratio of 9.9%. In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by over 2,000 points to close at 308,128. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 54 stocks, of which 24 advanced, 22 declined, and 8 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 3 points to close at 2,988. Among the winners were 1834 Investments, Carreras Limited, Elite Diagnostic, Epley Limited, and Express Catering. Stocks declined for Barita Investments, Berger Paints, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Cream, and Caribbean Producers. Stocks traded firm for Access Financial, AMG Packaging and Paper, Diamond Trading, Epley Limited, and Jamaica Money Market Brokers. Jamaica Broilers was the volume leader with over 2 million units, followed by Carreras Limited also with over 2 million units and Proven Investments with approximately 2 million units. On the foreign exchange market, it's costing $125.53 for the American currency. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $100.96, while it's costing $174.70 for the pound sterling and $152.08 for the euro. News in oil. Oil rose slightly on Monday, bouncing off early losses after Israeli Prime Minister said he would make an announcement later in the day about the nuclear deal with Iran. Brent crude futures were up 31 cents at $74.95 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI futures were up 23 cents on the day at $68.33 a barrel. Earlier in the session, both benchmarks had been down about 1%. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Regional stories are next after the break.